It's coming out the way that I envisioned. It's coming together. Hey guys, so the kids are coming back from school in about 3 hours, and before they get back, I want to make sure that the kitchen is prepared for them. I want them to tell us all about their resolutions that they have for this year. So we're going to set up the kitchen and make it look really cute for back to school. I have an idea in my head what I want to do, but hopefully I can execute everything the way it's in my head. So just come along with me and let's see what we're going to do. This is everything I got from Pop Shelf, Walmart, and Dollar Tree. And you can kind of see the vision. Like if you look at this, I'm pretty sure you got the vision for this. If you don't, you'll see it soon enough. He's gonna be on one side baking, well, preparing and baking the cookies, and I'm gonna be on the other side getting the decor ready. So that's so great that we work so well as a team, right, babe?
Good.
I'm gonna turn these into giant pencils and crayons. And I've seen people use spray paint, but I don't want to use spray paint. I feel like it'll be so much easier, less messy, if we just go ahead and use the construction paper. I got this silver tape so we can do the silver part of the pencil. That's gonna be really cute. I got pink streamer. This is gonna help with the texture, and it's gonna really help bring that pencil to life because this is gonna be the eraser part. Look at the texture of those cookies. Oh my God, they're gonna be so good. I cannot wait. Tell me this is not the cutest thing. I know you see the vision. I know you see it. And look at this. I love the texture of the pencil. I love the metallic silver. It's just, it's giving. It's giving. I'm obsessed already because look how stinking cute this is. Like it's coming out the way that I envisioned. It's coming together. Okay, so guess what this part is? You guessed it. It's gonna be the tip of the pencil. So I'm just gonna like corrugate it, cut it like that, and put a tip on it and glue it together, and the pencils are gonna be done. So T went to get Princeton because he gets out earlier than the other kids, and he left his cookie dough, and I'm so tempted to eat it, but I'm gonna be good and put it in the fridge. Writing number 2 on the pencil to make it look really legit is gonna be the finale, but it's also the most, I don't know, I'm so nervous to do it. I don't wanna mess this up. Okay, let me. This right here, and I'm just gonna cut it this way first. This is the front of the pencil. I want to line the back up. So you see where that line is coming from? I just want to line that up. So now that we got the pencils done, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the crayons. Look at the cookies. They are gonna be so bomb. Oh my God, they're gonna be so good. The kids will be home soon. I'm gonna do the centerpiece. It's gonna look like a composition book. I got this table runner. It's so cute. I got it from Pop Shelf, and I think it kind of mimics like the school pages, so I think that goes perfectly with the theme. And look at these cookies. They're so good. I already had a taste, and it's a mess, so we gotta speed things up. I had to sneak some more cookies because it's so good, but I'm just setting up the island and preparing the flowers. Everything is coming along. I'm so excited. So check out this little cute note I made. I'm gonna put it as a little insert in the flowers. Love it. And then I put some different sheets on it so that if I wanted to do different notes throughout the weeks, I can do that as well. Everything is done. I'm just gonna set the island up and we're done. Look at how beautiful. It's so nice. It came
And
out,
her daughter.
It came out the way I imagined, and I'm so hyped. Look at this. So they're gonna write their resolutions for the school year. Look at my composition book. I love the way that turned out. The crayons are kind of wonky, but I actually like it because it's like Princeton, McKinley, and Isaiah. Super cute. And of course, we can't forget about the smart cookies that Daddy made. They're so nice, big, fluffy, and super chocolatey, just the way we like it. We also wrote personalized notes for each of the kids, and look at these pencils. Like, come on now. Ah, so cute. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you like this video, I have way more in store for you. Bye. Bye. Doodle head.